Here's our Jumbo Mag, 5 by 7 inches with inner sleeve. These are available at www.gametimeinternational.com. And you can see how it holds the card, the jumbo cards in there. Not just this premium stock, but any 5 by 7 stock card. This is the black bordered version one. It's literally just a jumbo size of our 35 by 55 point mag with inner sleeve. You can see the matte colors are on front and back. And so the Jumbo Mag, I want to show you today for YouTube. If you want to check these out, you can see the product. And we do focus a lot more on Instagram than YouTube, and I apologize for that, but you can see how it has the, right there, you take that off, the protective sleeve, right there. And then when you open this, you're gonna have 2 inner sleeves, just like our regular 35 by 55 point mag with inner sleeve. So you have the 2 sleeves here. You can use one of these, and I'll just kind of show a demonstration of how the card is going to fit in there with this other mag. So you have your 5 by 7 card, and this is just for demo purposes. You can see how that fits in there, and that's going to fit in that groove just perfectly. And when you close it, a lot of those downtowns and stuff too, it's going to flatten that out real well. It's good for autograph cards, Star Wars series type cards, box toppers, Court King, on-card autos, 5 by 7, anything 5 by 7. Yeah, GTi Card Supply. We made a mag that really makes sense. I hope you guys enjoy this mag. And again, we do have black and clear available. www.gametimeinternational.com. I'll see you guys soon. Take care.